Hey guys, today we're looking at a 2018 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Classic, and this one is in vivid black. It also has a lot of extra chrome details and a lot of the live to ride, ride to live accents on it. We have the highway pegs so that you can stretch out on a long ride, and then everything matches as far as the floorboards, the brake pedal, also the passenger floorboards match too. Super nice. All of the chrome is beautiful. We have the tour pack with the luggage rack on top, and again, a couple more emblems. Got those really nice lights. Those are super bright. Heel toe shifter, again, matches. Derby cover also matches. And of course, the gas tank cover matches. And we've got chrome all through the dash. And this is a 2018 Electra Glide Ultra Classic in vivid black. Oh, last thing to note, we also have ABS. So come check this thing out. We are open 6 days a week for test rides.